Hello everyone. This is the Honda Civic 2003 hybrid version 1.3 and it's a UK model. Unfortunately I have a problem with the ignition. The key doesn't turn and I have an emergency fix for this because I needed to go to work and I needed the car as soon as possible, and if I had to call locksmith, he would have taken some time, and after all he would have charged me a lot of money. So what I did, I undid these screws which are on top of here, one over there and one here. I undo them and this is what I've got. This is the ignition, and the key is the ignition is stuck and it's not moving anywhere, and the key doesn't turn. So I remove the barrel, and this is the bit which with lots of big wires. This is the power thingy on the ignition. So I remove the screws on both sides, take it off, and this is what you got. All you have to do is put the key in the ignition and turn this switch with a screwdriver or anything that you can use. So I'll try to make the video as well. So there it is. There you go. So once you turn it, there you go, the car is on. Okay, so now you can obviously turn your car engine on and you can use your car while you be able to fix this. So this is the emergency procedure to turn the engine on while the key doesn't turn in the ignition. I hope this helps. It took me about an hour and a half to figure out what can be done. I'm not a mechanic or something like that. I'm just a novice, and I had to struggle. So hope this video will help somebody else as well. Please leave your comments. Thank you very much.